Hello everyone, have a blessed day. I am Rickson Olavarrio. Before isa ako sa mga nawawala, naliligaw na tupa. I walk in the darkness. I actually disrespect my parents. Magdamag ako nasa inuman. Laging nakikipag basag ulo, bully, feeling hari sa school as in lahat hinahamon ko ng suntukan. Papasok ako sa school, may dala akong yosi, may dala akong alak nakalagay sa buti ng C2 para hindi halata. 'Di ba? Nagbabaon ako ng marijuana nakaipit sa notebook para hindi halata, you know? And I am searching for love in this world, but still my heart is empty. Until dumating yung time na I am asking myself, sabi ko, life, what is the true meaning of life? Ito na ba yung meaning ng life? Ang maging normal sa tao, ang paggawa ng kasalanan, maging hipokrito sa paggawa ng mabuti para lang masabing mabuting tao? What is the foundation of life? And what's next after life? You know, what's the purpose of my life in this world? Then Jesus answered me. Sabi niya, if you want to know your purpose, you have to know me. You have to know your creator who designed you and give you a purpose of your life. Sabi ko, eto na ba yun? The answer to my question. Then I found Jesus and He found me. He called me to follow Him. He chose me to be His own. He loved me after all I've done. He changed me. Everything in my life was changed by Him. So I gave up everything, the sinful nature in this world. I surrender my life to Him. And this is me now. I am still following Him. I am a follower of Christ. Yes, I know mukhang nakakatakot akong tignan. But when you know me deeper, everything will be changed. I am doing the will of God. All of those things that I do is for the glory of Him, not for my fame, hindi para sa magagandang sasabihin ng tao, but always for the glory of Him. Actually, after my college life, I don't know what my dream is, but I pray, I hope, and I trust in what God's plan for me. Because His plan is better than mine. His dream for me is better than mine. One thing that what I know to do is to obey Him. Because He gave His life for me, and I will live my life for Him. Inside or outside school, I do really enjoying reading and studying my Bible. Because the Bible is a love letter of God for me, for you, and for all of those people who have been lost. As a first year student, I expect that we will start from the very beginning, a strong foundation of this subject to have a clear background because on our first sem, we really don't know what we are doing.